felt like it was going too far back in there, so I just pulled it out a little bit. So this, pull all this up. Okay, take a little more, and we are going to use this to go around the back. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to roll this way and out this way. We want it to go all the way around like this, and I'll make some lines in it. And then I'll actually cut through a little bit at the bottom. Just random lines. And then when we put this on, we'll probably need to trim it. So I'm going to use some water here. And we'll just start about here. Tear that. I'm going to fold that under and bring that down. Okay, so once it's on like this, let me get some small scissors. Okay, I will trim this part up a bit. Probably this part too. Around here. Okay, now let me blend this. How long is Santa's hair these days? It's splitting a little there, so I can push that up. I might just add, I want to trim it down here. I could probably add one of these pieces that I trim up. There I go again. Just kind of pushing that in a little. Oh, let me show you. It is coming out too far here, so. And I'm just kind of pulling down on this a little, kind of flicking it almost to kind of tear it a little bit. Okay, I'm not liking this middle part. I'm taking that off. Santa no longer has a long beard. I'm going to add a separate piece that's thicker that will actually stay in that one area. So just blend it together. Have it kind of come off to the side. Okay. I'm going to give him a mustache and his hat and see if I like that. If not, then I'm changing it. Okay, so ball for the mustache. Ball, put your finger over half and just roll for a little mustache. That's going to go right under his nose. And then push it on, and that kind of helps you make little lines at the same time. It's sticking to me more than the... Okay, so once they're both on, then you can kind of adjust it. Still want to see his mouth in there. Okay, let me get his hat on. I might even go over that mustache again. That's right, I said it. Okay. So I'm going to need Another skewer in this poor guy. Keep his hat on. Ow! And it doesn't need to be that long, does it? Right about there. A little less than an inch sticking out.